I have been a homeowner for about 6 months. I bought this home in June 2021. I discovered Multitaskr when I was going through the home buying process. I knew that I wanted to buy a home that would be an investment property. Ultimately, I needed to build an ADU, and Multitaskr is exactly how I discovered that process. So I would call this home improvement project a house hack. We knew that this was way too much space for someone who's living by themselves. So wanted to build a wall in the middle of the home so that I could rent out one part of the home for short-term rentals and then live on the other side of the home, basically to make my mortgage more affordable. I decided to remodel the home before building the ADU because, one, it was a lot faster than going through the permitting process, and it would allow me to, gather more income while that process is still undergoing. My home solutions expert was Nicole Gonzalez. Basically, when I talked to Nicole, I gave her an idea of what I envisioned for the space, how I wanted the wall to look in the house, and what I wanted the closets to look like. When I gave her my basic vision, she came back with me with multiple color options, closet door options, and even flooring options. So being able to see those options in front of me, their price points, how they would look in the space, allowed me to make a good decision on what I wanted the whole project to look like. I currently am working on another project with Multitaskr. We are hoping to build 1 unit and 2 ADUs at the back of the home. It's going to be 1 unit directly behind the house in a separate building, and then 2 ADUs directly behind that, also in 1 separate building, but 1 story and 2 stories. So this ADU construction experience has been really unique in that I was able to see the virtual reality, walk through the space, see how it was going to look, envision myself or guests living there, and just know how the entire space would feel. I would describe the project development plan as an all-encompassing process to accomplish all of your home improvement needs. Alexandra Johnston is actually my brother and also currently works for Multitaskr. Being able to have him deeply involved in that process was allowed for the VR and everything to just go really smoothly, and we were able to just accomplish everything as a team. If you're wanting to get involved in the Airbnb business for an investment property, definitely recommend consulting with Multitaskr to see how you can do a house hack. Multitaskr to me is your one-stop shop for efficient and professional home improvement.